夏天客厅有这个冰雾空调扇，再也不怕热了。便携式提手，风力强劲，放在卧室学习也不怕燥热了。大米级出雾量，提升湿度，快来购买吧！这个空调上很多姐妹种草了，它是自带加湿器和双风扇的设计，制冷效果杠杠的，立式小空调的造型加上炫彩氛围灯，颜值真的是太高了，买个放在客厅，空调都能省点开，真是好看又实用。
真不敢想把冰块和风扇结合在一起，这个夏天得多凉快呀！雾化吹出来的凉风也太舒服了吧！它有3档风速，180度的可调节广角送风，我太爱这个可以加冰的设计了。还有好多颜色的幻彩灯，可以放在床头当睡眠灯使用，上面有个提手，挪动也方便。夏天有它真的太幸福了。
When things get hot, nothing beats a cool breeze. But hauling a bulky box fan everywhere to keep you cool is crazy. You need Aqua Breeze from Bell & Howell, the lightweight, compact, rechargeable, and completely portable dual misting fan that keeps you cool and comfy at work, rest, or play all day. It's so easy. Add water, and with just a press, you get dual oscillating micro-misting breeze fans for instant cooling comfort, indoors or out. Look closer. Inside the cooling tower is a state-of-the-art BLDC digital motor that drives 2 variable speed cooling fans and 3 misting jets. Select just 1 fan or 2, and each one rotates a full 180 degrees, so you get the right breeze right where you want it. Press again to trigger the trio of misting jets that distribute an atomized micromist that instantly cools on contact. And with optional 90-degree oscillation, you get maximum cooling coverage. Add ice cubes to the water tank for an instant icy breeze that feels extra refreshing on a hot day, or anytime you want to stay extra cool and comfortable. It even has a soothing LED light display that adds elegance and ambiance to any occasion. And AquaBreeze comes with this handy carrying strap and is USB rechargeable, so you can enjoy it everywhere. Make it a part of your morning workout. Enjoy it at work all week long. And now you can grill and chill at the same time. Whether you're relaxing at home, hitting the road for the holiday, or roughing it deep in the woods, AquaBreeze makes every minute more comfortable. You need AquaBreeze from Bell & Howell.